Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to find the App Store on your LG Smart TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have an LG Smart TV and you want to go ahead and install new apps on it. How do you actually go ahead and find the App Store? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, the way to actually do this depends on what model of LG Smart TV you have. So for example, I have the LG UR8000. And so in order to find the App Store, all you've got to do is click on the home button and you're going to reach a page that looks like this. So once you're on this page here, you want to go ahead and go into the app row that you see here. And you want to scroll to the left until you reach this green icon that says apps. So click on apps. Like I mentioned, it's going to vary depending on what LG Smart TV you have. But for the LG UR8000, that is how you find the App Store. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find the App Store on your LG Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.